Hello everyone, welcome to the Coin Daily channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get up-to-date information from the crypto world. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like button. XRP's short-term growth outlook does not negate headwinds inherent in its ecosystem. XRP is exhibiting an unusual growth trend as its price has remained resilient with its 25.36% week-to-date growth. Currently priced at 44 cents, XRP remains one of the top-performing altcoins thus far this week in relation to its growth rate. It is currently outpacing all of the digital currencies in the top 10 list per market capitalization, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. While XRP's short-term growth outlook appears impressive, investors should watch out for some of its underlying metrics. For instance, the trading volume over the past 24 hours has outpaced, by a negative trend, the growth uptick the digital currency recorded earlier today. With the trading volume down by a little more than 38% at $2.85 billion. According to CoinMarketCap, this shows that traders are not particularly betting on the cryptocurrency as assumed. One crucial update regarding the accumulation trend in XRP, however, was showcased by the 120 million tokens that shifted hands as flagged by crypto data analytics provider Whale Alerts. XRP still has one of the strongest communities among its peers and the prospects are good, however, some caution is necessary to bet on the coin. That XRP and its associated blockchain payments firm, Ripple Labs Inc., are doing well is an understatement as the latter firm has expanded its reach beyond the US over the past few years despite the ongoing lawsuit. Despite that, the long-awaited summary judgment from the SEC remains a bottleneck that must be factored into whatever attempt to bet on the cryptocurrency for the mid to long term. XRP is a fragile digital currency and its growth prospects will not be properly showcased until the lawsuit with the SEC is completely resolved. XRP investors could not capitalize enough on gains cryptocurrency has shown in past. The cryptocurrency XRP experienced a significant reversal in value as traders massively closed their long positions, indicating a substantial amount of profit-taking. This active profit-taking can be attributed to XRP's previous performance, which had been moving in a downtrend for the last 130 days, making it a less attractive investment in the eyes of many traders. As XRP currently sits at the 43 cents price level, it is searching for the next support level that could potentially stabilize its value. One of the reasons behind the almost 30% growth witnessed 4 days ago could be the large leveraged positions that traders opened for XRP. Leverage trading allows investors to gain exposure to an asset's price movements by borrowing additional funds from a third party or a decentralized protocol, thus increasing their potential returns. However, this trading strategy comes with higher risks as it magnifies both gains and losses. The recent downtrend in XRP's value made it an appealing target for leveraged traders looking to capitalize on the potential for a price reversal. As the cryptocurrency's value surged almost 30%, many traders decided to close their long positions to secure profits, leading to a significant reversal in the asset's value. The massive closure of long positions has placed downward pressure on XRP's price, making it difficult for the cryptocurrency to maintain its upward momentum. As XRP searches for its next support level, it is essential to consider the broader market context, which includes regulatory challenges faced by Ripple, the company behind the XRP cryptocurrency. Ripple has been embroiled in an ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission over the classification of XRP as a security, which has added uncertainty to the asset's future in the past. Ripple CTO challenges SEC to clear up crypto regulations. Ripple CTO David Schwartz has criticized the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for its lack of clear guidelines on cryptocurrency regulation following Coinbase's recent Wells notice. Ripple CTO David Schwartz has once again weighed in on Coinbase's recent Wells notice from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The architect behind the XRP ledger took to Twitter to criticize the SEC for failing to provide clear guidelines on cryptocurrency regulation. A Wells notice is a formal notification that gives the recipient an opportunity to respond to the allegations before the regulatory agency decides to pursue the case in court. Schwartz's comments came in response to Coinbase's chief legal officer Paul Grewal stating that the SEC needs to provide reasonable rules for crypto in the U.S., and that Coinbase is willing to follow them. He also said that the SEC has not been fair or reasonable in their engagement on digital assets, and that rulemaking and legislation are better tools for defining the law for the industry than enforcement actions. Coinbase is confident in the legality of their assets and services and is open to a legal process to provide clarity. Coinbase has met with the SEC more than 30 times over 9 months, but they were doing all of the talking. Coinbase's staking and exchange services are largely unchanged since 2021, and their core business model remains the same. Coinbase's stance is that the U.S. crypto regulatory environment needs more guidance, not more enforcement. The company has also stated that their staking services are not securities under any legal standard, including the Howey test. Schwartz also addressed the question of why Ripple had not sought a no-action letter from the regulator before moving forward with launching XRP. In response, he tweeted that he was not part of the process. At the same time, he suggested that the fact that no other crypto company had received a productive outcome from this process made it seem unlikely that his company would have benefited from it. A little reminder, if you want to support the Coin Daily channel and see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Ripple v. SEC, here's latest update in lawsuit. Expectations mount as Ripple lawsuit nears resolution. In a tweet, James K. Filan shared the latest update in Ripple's legal battle with the SEC. The regulator has filed its response to the Ripple defendants' letters regarding supplemental authority drawn from the Bittner and Voyager cases. On March 20th, Ripple filed a letter notice of supplemental authority in further support of their fair notice defense. According to the SEC's response, the letter set forth stray remarks, lines from Justice Gorsuch's concurring opinion in the Bittner case, and a bankruptcy plan confirmation order from the Voyager case. It added that the defendants contend that the excerpts support their fair notice defense. The SEC disagrees with this and adds that it does not provide any basis to deny the SEC's motion for summary judgment. It also adds that neither decision even involves a fair notice defense. Bittner was mentioned by the SEC as being involved in the Bank Secrecy Act requirement that individuals file an annual report detailing information about certain foreign bank accounts. Pro-Ripple lawyer Jeremy Hogan took to Twitter to state his viewpoint on the SEC's response. The SEC replies to Ripple's supplemental authority. He said, while it raises valid points about the Bittner case, its attempt to argue that the Voyager judge did not state that the crypto space faces obvious uncertainty is smirkable. He continued. Hogan further adds, I think these are two cases that are bad for the SEC, and this reply negates the Bittner decision a little but doesn't take away much bite from the Voyager judge's ruling. That Voyager order is really good for Ripple. According to a Fox Business piece by Alina Terrett, the legal quandary between Ripple and the SEC might soon end. The report cites attorneys working on the case as saying that Judge Torres might rule on summary judgment motions in the coming days. Either Ripple or the SEC might have the victory. Another outcome might be that the judge could order the case to go to trial. The article highlighted three possible outcomes. Ripple President Monica Long recently stated in a CNBC interview that the company was optimistic about reaching a positive resolution in the SEC case.